Bitcoin is back in news. After being in a slump for 3 years, Bitcoin has given a return of around 307% in 2020. Currently, it is trading around the levels of $35,000, which is a big jump considering its prices crashed to $3,000 level in 2017. The first question arises, who created Bitcoin? After the subprime mortgage crisis in 2008, several governments had to print billions of money in order to bail out banks and insurance companies. This excessive liquidity without any counter-economic activity led to recession in many countries. It was then Satoshi Nakamoto, a name used by an unknown person, launched a cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. So the question arises, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a virtual currency which could be directly sent to each other without any intermediary. Unlike your physical currency where RBI is your regulator, there is no regulator in case of Bitcoin. It is simply governed by the rule of demand and supply. So when there is no regulator, the question arises, is trading of Bitcoin legal in India? After the Supreme Court lifted the RBI ban in March 2020, trading of Bitcoin is not illegal in India, but at the same time, it is not recognized by law. Now, when you've understood Bitcoin, you must be wondering what determines its prices. Well, there are largely three main reasons for the rise in Bitcoin prices. First, limited supply of Bitcoins. Currently, there are around 18 million Bitcoins in supply out of 21 million that will ever exist. Because of its limited supply, its prices increases every time there is an increase in demand. Simple economics. Second, what makes Bitcoin unique is the fact that people see it as a hedge against inflation, just like the way they see gold as a hedge against inflation. Now with the outbreak of COVID-19, Bitcoin has repositioned itself as a hedging tool. Third, the cryptocurrency rally has not been driven only by retail players but also by institutional players. For example, global payment technology giant PayPal has recently enabled its members to buy and sell cryptocurrency through their accounts. While some crypto lovers say that Bitcoin will cross the mark of 1 crore by 2030, others say that it's a bubble and will burst soon. Money9 says that Bitcoin is a risky asset, it's a risky investment. Invest in it only if you understand the risk involved.